This morning, a devastating chapter in the U.S. fight against COVID-19. The virus death toll climbing above 200,000 Americans. This week, the CDC reversing guidelines after an outcry from health officials claiming political interference by the Trump administration. The CDC now stating anyone who's come into close contact with a confirmed case should be tested, symptoms or not. The policy switch coming as President Trump makes a big promise: 100 million vaccine doses by the end of this year.
Hundreds of millions of doses will be available every month, and we expect to have enough vaccines for every American by April.
While early vaccines are expected this year, CDC leadership says widespread availability will take longer.
I think we're probably looking at late second quarter, third quarter, 2021.
So how did we get here? The first COVID-19 related death was on February 29th. By late May, the virus had exploded, claiming the lives of 100,000 others. Today, that grim number doubled as a growing division on how to handle a pandemic continues.
Don't try to make me wear a mask.
The attitude becoming a dangerous mix with massive social gatherings and parties. The annual Sturgis motorcycle rally in South Dakota linked by one study released this month to an estimated 250,000 cases of COVID-19, a number the organizers call blatantly faulty. The current death toll, part of a dire prediction that came as early as March from Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Looking at what we're seeing now, I would say between 100 and 200,000 cases, but I don't want to be held to that because it's deaths.
But this week, President Trump blamed states led by Democratic leaders for higher numbers. And when asked about the rising death toll in early August.
How? 1,000 Americans are dying a day.
They are dying. That's true. And it is what it is.
The lives lost coming from every corner of the country.
And this week here in Texas, due to a decrease in hospitalizations, Governor Greg Abbott is reopening the state further, allowing 75% capacity at restaurants and other businesses. This is the state now has the third highest death toll in the country, with more than 15,000 lives lost to COVID-19. That number doubling in just the last 2 months. Willie?
200,000 Americans dead. Morgan, thank you very much. We appreciate it.